Right then, so we've saved the best machine till last. Are you ready for this? We have the brand new CE002G 14-inch 80V max power cutter. Look at it, it's a beast, okay? That's right, let's talk about it. It's very similar to the CE001G, the predecessor. That machine, however, was for wet or dry cutting applications. This one is purely designed for dry cutting applications where water supply kits might have to be avoided or ideal for sort of indoor use. So let's talk through the machine. It runs off the two 40V batteries. It has a lock-off trigger switch at the back, and it also has the AWS port at the back, so you can link this with the CE006G 80Vmax M-Class dust extraction unit class. Okay. As we talk through the machine, it's also mounted on a couple of springs to reduce the vibration to the end user's hands. The dust guard in the front runs on a forced dust collection, which is really ideal, and it also features a retractable front guard here too. It comes complete with two little clips as well, which hook onto this little bracket here. Depending on the diameter of your hose for your dust extraction unit, you've got two options there to keep it nice and snug to the body of that machine. As I say, max depth of cut on this is 127mm in diameter. You can get this body only, or you can get it with a kit with two 5Ah batteries and a dual port charger. Let's go and see it.